Hello everyone. All of us are aware that health is the greatest wealth of a person. But in today's busy world, majority of the people are not healthy. There are various reasons behind this. One of the major reasons behind bad health condition in youngsters is eating habits.
Majority of these youngsters find it really difficult to cook because of the shortage of ingredients or lack of time. They either offer junk food or skip a meal. So our team has decided to come up with an AI tool that helps them cook healthy food at home. And thus we've built our model Cook GPT.
Our model generates the best possible recipes according to the preferences of our users. The interface of our model is user-friendly and we collected all the required information and stored it in the database.
The main features of this model is that it helps users to choose their dietary plans and choose what ingredients should be included in their food. It also asks the users how much time they have to spend cooking and how experienced is he or she is in cooking. The model also asks the users to choose between breakfast, lunch, dinner and snacks.
Different kinds of data we used at the time of training the model. Finally, the model was tested a couple of times.
After the preparation of food, feedback is taken from the users about the taste and quality of food. User is also able to suggest any changes if they need in the model to make it more user-friendly. All this feedback is taken into consideration and updations to the model are done accordingly to make it user-friendly. We use Flutterflow, a versatile platform known for creating user-friendly interfaces. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface builder and abundant pre-built components, we crafted an interface that seamlessly blends aesthetics and functionality.
Our project goes beyond its roots. It's smart thanks to OpenAI. Our OpenAI API key embraces it with the abilities to understand, analyze, and intelligently respond to user interactions. Natural language and machine learning are just some of its capabilities it now possesses.
For a project to shine, visuals matter. We turned to pixels, creating a stunning collection of high-quality images. These visuals not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also capture the essence and emotions that define our project.
The main objective of our application is to make people more healthy.
So say goodbye to guesswork
And hello to your perfect cooking partner,
Cook GPT.